elephant.
Wow!
E. La 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 la.
L. E.
Pa 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 pa.
P. H.
A a a a a a a a a.
A.
N n n n n n n n n n n n.
N. T. T.
Elephant. Giraffe.
Achoo!
Ja 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 ja. J j ja.
G. I. R. A.
Fa 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 fa.
F. F. E.
Giraffe. Hippo.
Achoo!
Ha 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 ha.
H. I. P.
Pa 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 pa.
P.
Oh 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 oh.
O.
Hippo. Hey kids, look at these animals. Elephants are huge. In fact, they're the largest living land animals. Elephants live mainly in forests and grasslands in warm areas. Here we can see our friendly elephant. Let's say hi to the elephant at the same time on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, elephant! Hi, kids! Elephant skin is thick, wrinkled, and not very hairy. It is grayish to brown in color. Elephants eat roots, grasses, and lots of fruits. I guess our elephant friend is hungry. Well then, on the count of 3, let's say bye-bye to the elephant so he can eat. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, elephant! Goodbye, kids! Hey, look at that tall giraffe!
Wow!
Hey kids, giraffes are the tallest animals. Did you know that?
Wow!
Let's say hi to our giraffe friend on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, giraffe! Hi, kids! Giraffes are plant eaters. They can reach leaves at the top of trees, but they do not eat grass. It's very hard for them to reach the ground because of their long neck. On the count of 3, let's say bye-bye to the giraffe. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, giraffe. Goodbye, kids. Hey, kids, do you know this animal? It's a hippo. Hippo is a huge animal that lives only in Africa. Hippo spends the day resting in shallow water. Let's say hi to our hippo friend on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hippo.
Hi, kids!
They often sleep with just their eyes, ears, and nose above the water. A hippo can also dive down and walk on lakes and river bottoms. It can keep its head underwater for 5 to 10 minutes before coming up to breathe. At night, hippos go onto land to eat grasses. Now it's time to say bye-bye to hippo on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye, hippo.
Bye, kids!